please. What's your emergency?
No, it's not really. I just need to tell you or inform you that across the mountain there's a very bright stationary object.
Right.
If you could look at this, perhaps you could find out what it is. It's been there for at least half an hour and it's still there.
It's been there for half an hour, right. Is it actually on the mountain or in the sky?
It's in the air.
I'll get somebody up there now to check on it.
Okay.
W1 Alpha Zulu 20, Alpha Zulu 20, over.
Alpha Zulu 20, go ahead.
This object in the sky, did anyone have a look at it? Over.
Alpha Zulu 20. Yes, it was a moon. Over.
Thank you, Alpha Zulu 20, W1 out.